Hi guys, so today I want to explain how you can create one page where you can edit one object and also its related objects. So let's head over to Mendix.Studio and I will show you how I can build that. And first let's head over to the domain model. Let's create a book entity, and the book has a title and an author. And from this book, copies can be created, and these copies can be borrowed probably in a library or something like that. So this has a copy number, so we can identify what copy it is. Maybe we should add an auto number or some extra logic if you want. Add an order date, so we know when we ordered this copy or when it is ordered, and make it, let's add a boolean for borrowable. So this copy is related to the book as a one-to-many relation. You can drag the arrow from the copy to the book and then the relation is set. Alright, that's the first part. Now we can generate overview pages from the domain model directly in Mendix. Let's make these book overview and book new edit page. And what I want to do is that in the navigation, this book overview page is the first page that you will see as you log in, and also in the navigation that it's under the home button. If you now run the application, you will see that we open up the book overview page, which has a data grid with all the books in it, and it has also a new button, and in this new button it will open up a pop-up with this book editor. Let's change the font orientation to vertical, and underneath this book title and author we want to show the copies of this book. So let's make a heading for that. So I edit the text, I render it as a heading, and under that we add a new widget, a data grid widget, and we will check as a data source for the association to the book. So the book in the data view 1, could also go for the page parameter, but like we are in the data view here, has a relationship to the copy, and we can select here the copy entity. Autofill it for now. So now we have a list of all the copies of this book visible for the user. But what we now want to do is make it possible that if you add a book or change a book, you can also directly change or edit the copies of the book. So let's add a create button. That's probably where you want to go. The nice thing about the new button is that you can right click on it and select generate page. In this way you get the copy new edit functionality. I will go for the pop-up layout here and select one template form. Now Mendix will automatically create a copy new edit page in the format of a pop-up. Let's run the application and let's see how far we have come now with these steps. So here we are on the book overview page, and we can create a new book. And this book we can give it a gibberish title, we can give it an author, and we can go for the copies, and we see a new button. We can select a new copy. You see that the copy number is already auto-filled with a first number. We can select a date and the borrowable state if it's yes or no. However, now you also see the relationship to the book. And this is quite annoying because you are in the book entity and you just want to have this copy related to the book but not editable for the user. So I will cancel this out as well, and head over to Studio to fix that flow. However, if you are in Mendix, you will find out that you cannot change any logic under the new new button. So to fix this, you should go for an action button instead. Let's change the naming of the action button to add new copy. Right click on it, edit on click action, and go for the call microflow. We don't have a microflow yet, so I will go for on click, add new copy as a name. Mendix will automatically open up, or not. And we don't have a copy yet, so let's assume that we don't have a copy. Because this is a new button, Mendix will automatically think in a data grid that you have already selected one line, but we want to have a new button. So we can create a new copy, and we relate this directly in this microflow to the book that is the input parameter of the microflow. And you have to watch, I don't commit it here because like it's not currently, I don't want to have it currently this copy committed to the database. Why? Because we haven't saved the book yet. So we can do that in a later moment. And refreshing client, we can check out if that's needed in a minute. So what we now do is if we click on the link, we will create a copy entity, and we will direct the user to this new copy new edit page, where we say, okay, new copy is the entity that we want to show there. Furthermore, we go to the page and we remove the selection of the book, because that's already a given one, and probably also the copy number. It's not important for the user as well. Now you see one error, and I think that error is coming from the book overview page, book new edit page, where we have this button, and in the microflow settings it had a mapping of the copy parameter, which is now gone. We can remove this button. Maybe we give it a styling of primary, so the user will know it's an important step to take. And let's rerun the application. Okay, the model is updated. Let's see how the app is now working. So we have a new Harry Potter, and we go for an add new copy. You already see that the fields are removed. We save it, and now you see that it's automatically populating this list. And if we now save this whole book, there we have the book. And if we edit the book again, you see that we have the book here and the copy again in this list. Alright, so that's how you can create and manage related entities in Mendix in a very easy way. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like or share it with your colleagues. Thank you.